Hi everyone. My name is Gabriella Hoekstra and I have the privilege of serving as principal of London Christian High. I'm here today to share an incredible announcement with you. London Christian High has the long-standing reputation of providing high-quality academic preparation for our students. And as a school, that's a significant accomplishment, and it's wonderful to be known for robust and quality academics. However, we also recognize that a rigorous university preparatory program doesn't necessarily serve all of our students well. As we have worked to ensure that our students are seen, known, and loved here at LCH, we've been intentionally developing and implementing specific learning pathways for students to engage in practical and experiential learning as they consider their next steps after high school. Over the past 2 school years, we've developed career and technical education options, CTE for short, in 5 specific pathways our students have typically followed when they graduate from LCH. To be clear, we're not shifting our academic focus as a school. Rather, we're complementing what we're really good at with a strong technical program in order to serve more students with the quality education we're known for. The CTE pathways we've introduced thus far have been well received by students and by our community. We've developed programming with partnerships in the community so that our students can meet curriculum expectations while learning skills like welding, exploring horticulture practices, and earning trade-related certifications, to name just a few activities CTE offers. As we've shared about this additional programming, our community has responded enthusiastically with encouraging comments and a firm affirmation of this learning direction. In addition to the incredible outpouring of support, we've also been encouraged to consider what the future of this programming looks like and the learning space we might need here at LCH to make this a sustainable and permanent part of our educational program. With these visionary words, and through God's gracious generosity, have come substantial financial gifts that have helped us shift our thinking from a far-off dream to a present reality. Folks, we have the opportunity to build a tech wing at LCH over the next 2 years. Yes, you heard me right. We have the opportunity before us right now to build an entire wing for technology classes right here at London Christian High. While we are still early in the planning phase, our newly formed building committee envisions a 10,000 square foot addition with a mechanical shop, transportation shop, design lab, flex lab space for activities such as healthcare labs, workspaces for assembling products, business seminars, and more. We have space for CNC machines and a greenhouse. Doesn't that sound amazing? Adding these learning spaces provides unlimited opportunities to equip our students well for whatever their chosen pathway might hold. The beginning of our innovation and technology campaign has been pretty quiet as we've explored the feasibility of this project with donors, educators, and sector experts. While we estimate the total project to cost around $5.5 million, I'm excited to share with you that to date, $2.6 million has been raised to go towards this building expansion and the incredible learning it will hold. This represents almost half, approximately 46% of the funds needed for this project. An incredible start and truly a gift from God through the generosity of our donors. If you are someone who has pledged or donated to this project already, thank you. We are so grateful for your support of this important learning direction for our students. The Innovation and Technology Campaign is a giving-directed project, meaning that we will move as quickly as donations and support allow. We are hoping that we will have 75% of the funding to begin the building phase in the spring of 2026 and that we might be ready for students in January 2027. We humbly ask our community to join us in this project. First and foremost, please hold this project, our students, and our vision for learning at LCH in prayer. We believe that God has led us to this opportunity and we seek His wisdom and guidance as we move forward. Second, please pray about how you might be involved in this project. Third, would you please consider supporting this tech wing expansion financially? While we know that every supporter has a different capacity to give, we also trust that God will work through each and every one of us to bring this vision to life. And finally, if you have expertise in technologies and are interested in learning how you might uniquely contribute, we'd welcome your feedback to make this facility the best it can be for our students. If you'd like to know more about this project, please reach out to me here at the school. My contact information will be in the description below. If you'd like to know more about how to financially support this initiative, I invite you to reach out to our Development Director, Tim Wolfert. Thank you for allowing me to share about this incredible opportunity. We look forward to seeing how God will use this project to bless students at London Christian High, both now and in the future. Thank you.